And electrophoresis in space today. The electrophoresis experiment on 51D is the continuous flow electrophoresis system that has flown several times before, including the last time, 41D, last September. This time I'm doing basically the same thing that was done on that flight. In this chamber, separating sample material that contains hormone substances that we're interested in purifying. That's some ways down the road yet. We're still developing the equipment, and we're still processing hormones that must be tested for Food and Drug Administration approval, and that's some years on down the line. But we're coming along very nicely. Let me tell you a little bit about what you see here. The activities include not only the separation of the substances in the chamber as it's flowing continuously from bottom to top, or is that from top to bottom? I don't know which now. But at the outlet, I can test for the presence of various materials up in this area by retrieving samples with syringes. And I even have a chemistry set which tells me when the hormone is present and when I'm successfully collecting it. Right now I have an assay ongoing, transferring fluids from various containers like this one that you see to other containers, back and forth, mixing, flushing occasionally, ending up with a test which will show the presence of that hormone. Various components here are not that complex, but it takes a lot of work and concentration to make sure that you're getting things correctly from one test area to another, or one component to another. In addition, on this flight are some studies that are being done through the electronics computer that controls the payload and the fluid system. Among the tests that are being done will be some tests that will look for the presence of contaminating bacterium. It is all important to us that there be no bacteriological contamination, no microbes fouling up the process for us. And we're well along on those tests. So far they're indicating things are very clean on this particular experiment, on this flight. Are there any questions, Houston?
Right now we don't think we have anything for you, Charlie, but we sure are glad to hear that everything's going so well, and we're getting a great picture, and sounds like you and Jake and the rest of the crew are having a good time.
Well, I think that's definitely true. We're not only eating food, but we're enjoying the antics in zero-G, and certainly enjoying the sights outside when we can get up to a window. And with 7 of us, sometimes that takes, you have to take a number to get to the window.